Why I do Ecom events. A lot of people know me for Ecom events. I organized events all around the world. I did events in Dubai, in Bali, France, Cape Town, and even more places. So a lot of people ask me, but why do I do this? What's the benefits? What you can get from this? And that's a very interesting question, and I want to share you a quick personal story on how this started and why you should eventually consider doing event as well, either hosting them or either participating, either coming, attending an event. So that's what I'm going to discuss about on this video. I'm Moose from Limited Scaling. We've been doing e-com solutions for the past 4 years now, a little bit more for 5 years. So yeah, let's get started. So e-com events is very interesting because you get to know what you don't know. So the thing is, a lot of people think, oh, I do my thing, blah, blah, blah. It's working well for them, or it's not. And maybe like their reality is the reality of what they see, what they act on a daily basis. But what is very exciting is sometimes you can get like some very new ideas, very new solution. It can be like payment processing, it can be banking structure, it can be tax solution, whatever it is, or even like strategical stuff like new strategies on ads, etc. And then like when we see it online, we don't actually really believe on it. But when we meet physically people that are doing this, we can ask them like specific question that might make it relate to our business. And then we're like, okay, that's good. We can implement this. So that's very, very interesting and gives a lot of consistent updates of like what's working, what's not working, etc. That's very valuable. Plus, you get to connect like when you go somewhere around the world. For example, I went to Cape Town a few months ago. I go there, organize my meetup. I don't know any ecom there. I go there, I know all the ecoms there. And then it helps expand the network a lot. And then you can see like the different culture, the different strategies that are working there. And you can inspire from that and see how you can use those strategies there, and then you get network. Let's say you stay there for a few weeks, few months, you already know where all the guys are, and you can be around them, with them, and making a collaboration or sharing ideas, even you don't know anyone. So I see some people like expatriating themselves, traveling the world, going somewhere lost in the world. A lot of them, sometimes they just feel alone. They want to run from their home country, but actually they feel alone because they have no one to actually connect with. So I know like some ecom guys have the mindset like, hey, I need to keep my stuff, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it's important to see what's the right balance, because like just being isolated won't help you either. Like being surrounded with other people doing what you do will actually give you the right ideas, instead of if you're just like, I don't know, following what's going on in the internet, or on for some cases on your masterminds or something like that, which is okay. You will have a very closed view of what's working on that part of the world, but not in other part, and that's very interesting, especially if you're looking for like new ideas and new ways to leverage. You'll be mind blown seeing some people scaling in Central Africa, I don't know, or some random countries in Europe. So that actually make a lot of sense. Plus, in my case, I had the chance also to do a lot of sponsored events. So literally also like helping others making events. So, I mean, why not? Like if I get the opportunity to get paid to let someone else do the event, and then I can organize everything for them and get the networking and everything, I mean, why not? It's cool. It's like you're getting paid doing what you like, so it's cool. So that's also something to consider. So yeah, if you guys wanna do or wanna attend one of our meetups, we organize a lot of meetups, a lot of e-com events. I think it's the best way to attract and connect and all network on one topic. I think it's a game changer activity on your business that help you scale. You don't have to do it too often, but I think like once every 3 months or 6 months, it can really be like a good momentum to help you stay up to date with what's working and refresh your mind, get clearer ideas, and just enjoy the e-commerce journey. If you want to discuss more about events, feel free to DM me on WhatsApp. If you want to check like our next event dates and stuff, we usually post on Instagram, so you can like follow us. And in the meantime, get a look to see our channel. We have a lot of topics that might interest you. So please do that. You'll be super happy, I'm sure. And we will see what's the right solutions that can help you scale your ecom business. See you in the next one.